Hey everybody, welcome to the kitchen. And today, the meal in the making is Brunswick stew. First thing we're gonna wanna do is chop our onions. Alright, first thing you're gonna wanna do, got your butter. Once we get him melted down, we'll come in with our onions. And so, once our butter is melted, we're going in with our onions. Now, if you're going to be using actual garlic, you would want to go in with it right now too. I use garlic powder, so I save it for the next step. Now, once you see your onions getting about where you want them, you go ahead and dump everything else in, and I mean everything. And there's our pulled pork. Now, if you don't have a good pulled pork recipe, check out one of my previous videos, and there is a pulled pork recipe. It's smoked and goes great. Now that we got everything in, we're gonna bring it to a good rolling boil. Alright, as you see, we've got him to a good rolling boil there. So now we're gonna cover him and let him simmer for about an hour and a half or so. That'll get all this juice all combined together, and it's gonna make for one awesome stew. Alright, so we've had him simmering now for a good hour and a half, and let's just take a look. Ooh, oh man. Oh, wow. So here's the problem, folks, is that y'all can't smell this. If y'all could, what? So there you go. That is how you make Brunswick stew. Thanks for watching, and if you try this recipe and you like it, let me know. You know, send me a comment and say, hey man, this was great, or we add something different. Hey, I'm always learning. That's the beauty of cooking, is there's always something new to try. So as always, thanks for watching, and this is no longer a meal in the making, it's a meal made.